Reading plus play plus hands-on activities equals science learning. You can make abstract concepts understandable by combining reading, play, and hands-on activities. When children read and act out a story that includes a new concept, like size, or pattern, or shape, they make the concept real. When you encourage imaginative play, you are helping your child apply new concepts in ways that make sense to them. This makes them ready to solve similar problems creatively. For instance, after reading Big, Bigger, Just My Size, have your child pretend to be the mouse child and take on different roles while wearing his parents' shoes. Enjoy taking turns or saying together lines from the story like, "I'm a monster, you'd better hide." In this way, play acting will bring home your child's understanding of the math concept of relative size. Try it!
Read Big, Bigger, Just My Size with your child. End with the more activity of lining up the family's shoes by size.